Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to recreate this curly bun hairstyle. To start, I've left a bit of hair out to frame the face on both sides, and then I'm just going to apply some texture powder at the roots. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Next, divide the hair from ear to ear and pop that top half into a ponytail. Then just clip this out of the way for now. And we're going to pull that bottom section up as close as we can get it to the first one and create another ponytail. Okay, release that top ponytail down, and then I'm going to just apply some wax spray all over the top of the head. Again, I'll pop this in the description. Then using your fingers, pinch and pull at the hair for some more texture and volume. Starting on that top ponytail, I'm simply going to divide it in half and then create just a simple knot as if you were tying your shoelaces, but make sure you keep this quite loose. Then take that knot and flip it up towards the head so it lays across the top of the elastic band, and use a few bobby pins to secure it to the head from all sides. Now I've just pinned the tail ends out of the way, and I'm going to do the same on the bottom ponytail. So split it in half and create a very loose knot. Grab hold that knot and then flip it up towards that first one, lay it just underneath, and again secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Now with these tail ends from the ones at the bottom, I'm going to leave a little curl out, and I'm going to wrap the rest around my fingers to create a loop, and I'm just going to push this up to the bottom of the bun and secure it with a couple of bobby pins. Now working on the top one on the right hand side, again leave a curl out, and this one, because it's a bit longer, I'm going to twist it towards the head and then just hold it at the side of the bun and secure with a couple of bobby pins. And lastly, on that top left hand side, leave a little piece of hair out, create your loop by twisting it around your fingers, and use a couple of bobby pins to secure it to the head. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.